Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're newer, hi! So for this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do my brows, or at least try to do them because I'm not a pro. And obviously there is a difference in both of them, but at least they're nice and clean again without hairs above and under, so yeah. I do my brows with the Veet Precision Trimmer, and you have a little piece like this that I use for my brows, and it also comes with a bigger part, and I like to use this one for my legs. And this is perfect when you go somewhere, you forget to shave your legs. This is it. This is perfect because you don't need any shaving cream or whatever. And it also comes with little pieces you can put on there if you want to have a trim. So let's get into this video. Make sure you use the side that is best for your eyebrow. I personally like to use the smaller side. I use my fingers to make sure I don't accidentally shave my whole eyebrow off. I use my brush to shape them in the shape that I want it to be shaped.
Wow.
And once again I go over it and shave everything off. And the few little hairs that are left I pluck with my tweezers. And last but not least I go over it with the trim side.
Part. The trim thing.
That's it for this video. I want to thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it and you thought it was useful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to stay updated on my life. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up or down to let me know you actually watched up till this point. I love you and I hope to see you next time. Bye!